Hello, my lovely realtor, real estate business owners, and brokers. Hello, everyone. This is Kaiser, and this video is especially for you. And I'm gonna give you a glimpse of really special things. Then I will tell you why you need this. So let me take you on my desktop. So this is the blog site where we talked about handyman. So here we get a huge amount of traffics, and you can see if we click over there, you can see one of my flares. And here it can be yours. Also, you can have on the top head on bottom, and there is a charge, monthly charge, so you need to pay. Also, we can show you how many traffics we get every single month. Like 28 days is not bad at all, and every single month we get this amount, or sometimes very bigger traffic. So what we are offering you very good, and all the things will be given on the descriptions. I will believe that if you have a website, if you have a digital flares, we can add over there as an embed code, or if you don't have, we can build for you. So it will very small charge, but it's a monthly flare position ad space depend on many kind of charge, which will be written on the descriptions. And you can contact with us directly, rent that websites ad space, or you can put your flares. So this is very exclusive. If you have a time, if you want to get a good leads, good goals, you can join with us. Have a great day and stay safe.